So hello guys, welcome to DevDome, and in today's video we are going to see how to print half pyramid pattern. Okay, so let's start. To print like this pattern, we have to use nested for loops. Okay, in most of the cases to solve the patterns problem, we use nested for loops. Okay, now what will be the trick? So first, outer loop for loop. Okay, outer for loop will tracks the rows of the pyramid. So in rows of the pyramid is here rows of the pyramids are 1 2 3 4. There are 4 rows. Okay, then first work is outer loop will run 4. uh, Now inner loop will run. Now how inner loop will run? Okay, so I is equal to 1. The loop will run, inner loop will run, I is equal to 1. We have to print the number. Okay, have to print 1. Okay, now for I is equal to 2, we have to print 1 and 2. Okay, and for I is equal to 3, we have to print 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and for I is equal to 4, we have to print 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, we have to print the in inner loop, we have to print the number. I have written a pseudocode for it. So this is the pseudocode for the half pyramid pattern. Okay, so I have created a variable n and I have initialized it with 4, and I have run a nested for loops. Okay, for outer for loop, the loop will goes to I is equal to 1 to n means 4, means outer loop will run till 4, and inner loop will run till I. Okay, means j is equal to 1 to j should less than equal to I, means uh, it will also run till 4 only. And what we are printing, we are printing the j. This number is not there, we have print. I have written also j is equal to number, means I have printing here j. Okay, then number will printed here in inner for loop, and this is for next line. Okay, next line of the compiler. So let's dry run this code now. I will write here the output. Okay, so I is equal to 1. Okay, I will 1 here. Okay, I will run. I is less than or equal to n, means 4. Here is n is 4. Okay, and I is here 1. Is 4 is less than or equal to 1, the condition here is true, then it will enter into the inner loop. Then it will run for j. In j is equal to 1, j should less than or equal to I, means j's value is here 1 and i's value is here 1 only, because I is 1. Okay, now the condition is true because j 1 is equal to 1. Okay, then it will print the number, means it will print the j, so 1 will print it. Yeah. Okay, now j will get updated. Now j's value will be 2 now. Okay, okay, now it will check 2 is less than or equal to 1, no, the condition will terminate and it will be out, it will print the next line. Okay, it will go, the compiler will go to next line here. Okay, now outer for loop will run. Now I will get updated, I will get updated and i's value is now 2. Okay, now it will check the condition, is 2 is less than or equal to 4. Okay, the condition will be true, then it will enter into the inner loop. Then j's value is initialized again by 1. Okay, then j is less than or equal to I, it will check the condition. Okay, means 1 is less than or equal to 2. Here I value is 2. Now the condition will be true, we will print the j, means j is currently 1. Okay, now j's values get updated, now j's values become 2. Okay, if 2 is less than or equal to 2, the condition will be true, then again it will print the j, means j's current value is 2 and 2 will be printed. Okay, now j's values get updated, now j's values become 3. Okay, it will check the condition, is 3 is less than or equal to 2, the condition will false, it will terminate, in a loop will terminate and print for next line. Compiler will go to next line. Now I will get updated, now i's value is here 3. Okay, then it will check the condition, is 3 is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be true, then it will enter into the inner loop. Okay, now j's value is initiated again by 1. Okay, okay, j's value is now again 1. Okay, now it will check the condition, is 1 is less than or equal to 3, now i's value is 3 here. Okay, the condition will be true, then it will print the number, means j's current value is 1. Okay, now j will get updated, now j's value become 2. Okay, now it will again check the condition, is 2 is less than equal to 3, the condition will be true, then again it will print the j's value, j's current value, that is 2. Okay, now again j will get updated, j value has become 3 here. Okay, now it will check the condition, is 3 is less than or equal to 3, the condition becomes true, then it will print the 3 j's value. Okay, now j's values gets updated, j's value become 4. Okay, then it will checks the condition, is 4 is less than or equal to 3, the condition will be false, then inner loop gets terminated, then next line will be printed, the compiler will go to next line. Okay, now i's values gets updated, i's value has become here 4. Okay, now i's condition will be checked, is 4 is less than or equal to 4, the condition is true, it will enter into the inner loop, now j's values gets initiated again by 1. Okay, j has become 1 here. Okay, now it will check the condition, is j is less than or equal to I, means 1 is less than or equal to 4 here, now i's current value is 4, the condition will be true, then it will print j, means 1. Okay, now j's values gets updated by 1 and 2. Okay, j's value is now 2. Okay, then it will check the condition, is j is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be true, the it will print 2 here. Okay, J's values get updated. Now J's value is 3 here. Okay. Now it will check the condition. Is 3 is less than equal to 4? The condition is true. Then it will print 3. Okay. Now J's values get updated. Now J's value has become here 4. Okay. Is 4 is less than equal to 4? The condition will be true. Then it will print 4 here. Okay. Now J's value has been updated. J's value as 5 here. Okay. Now it will check the condition. Is 5 is less than or equal to 4? The condition will be false. Then inner loop will be gets terminated. Okay. Then compiler will go to next line. Okay. Then i's values get updated. I's value has become here 5. Okay. Then it will check the condition. Is 5 is less than or equal to 4? The condition will be false. Okay. If the condition will false, then it will outer loop will get terminated here. Okay. Now see the output. We have get the output here as we want the half pyramid pattern inside. Okay. So let's see the demonstration now. In demonstration, I have created a class called demo, and in that I have created a main function. Okay. So in that I am creating a variable n is equal to 4 and running for loop, nested for loops here. Okay. For int I is equal to 1, I should less than or equal to n, and I gets updated by 1. Okay. Now this is outer for loop. Now inner for loop, int j is equal to 1, j should less than or equal to I, and j will updated by 1. Okay. Then here we are printing, and I'm giving a space, and next line. Now let's run and see what will be the output. So we have get this output as half pyramid pattern. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.